Namaste children, I am Hari Prasad, your chemistry teacher. Children, today's topic is the next periodic property, electronegativity. So to understand this electronegativity, we should be having a little idea about what? Covalent bond. What is a covalent bond? A covalent bond is a one which is formed by what? Mutual sharing of electrons between the two what? Combining atoms. Children. Children, to understand this electronegativity, we'll take one simple example of what? Tug of war game, right? This is one fellow, right? And this is the rope, and this is one more fellow, right? And this is the knot, which is exactly in the center before the start of the game. Now, children, as soon as the referee blows the whistle, right, out of these two, who will win? That is, the knot will be closer towards which fellow? This fellow or this fellow? Obviously, what you people are thinking that this fellow is bigger and this fellow is little lean. So, the knot will be closer towards this fellow. But actually, it is not going to happen like that. The knot will go closer towards this fellow. Why? Because this fellow's age is 70 years and this fellow's age is 25 years. Now common sense says that out of these two fellows, who is strong? Obviously, he is more strong. So that's why the knot will go closer towards this fellow. Now children, this is a small example. Now what we'll do is that we will replace these two with two atoms. That is, what I am trying to say is that we'll assume that this is one atom, right? And this is one more atom, and this knot is nothing but the shared pair of electrons present between these two, right? Now what happens is that out of these two, right, who is more electronegative, right? This fellow is more electronegative. Now the question arises, why this fellow is more electronegative? Children, we have replaced that. We are assuming that these two are atoms. Okay, in an atom we have a what? A nucleus whose charge is positive due to the presence of what, children? Protons. And we have a shells like this, right? Something like this. We have a shells, and this atom also has a nucleus whose charge is positive, and we have a shell, something like this, right, children? So according to the example, this smaller atom will pull the shared pair of electrons closer to itself. Why the bigger atom is not able to pull this shared pair of electrons towards itself? See, in bigger atom, right, there is more of what? More of what? Screening effect when compared to the smaller atom. Sir, what is screening effect? Children, we have already discussed all those things in the previous classes. Screening effect is nothing but, or screening effect is also called a shielding effect. Screening effect is nothing but the decrease in the force of attraction between the nucleus and the outermost electron by the electrons of what? Inner shells. That is, between this nucleus and outermost electron, these three shells are acting as a screen, right? Because of that one, the force of attraction between this and this is what? Very, very less. Now, in case of this one, there is only how many screen between nucleus and outermost electron? There is only what, children? One screen, right? Now, because of less screening effect or shielding effect, the force of attraction between this and this will be what? More when compared to this and this. Because of that reason, the smaller atom is able to pull the shared pair of electron closer towards itself. So this phenomenon is called as what, sir? Electronegativity. electronegativity. Sir, what is electronegativity? Right? Electronegativity is nothing but, children, 1 minute. Two atoms are there means definitely this has to be a what, children? It is called as what? Molecules. This is one atom, this is one atom, right? It is a molecule, right? What is electronegativity? It is the power of an atom, okay, in a what? Molecule to pull the shared pair of electrons towards itself, right? Or it is the capacity of an atom, right, in a molecule to pull the shared pair of electrons towards itself, right? So this phenomenon we call it as what, children? Electronegativity. Now children, what factors affects electronegativity? Children, by looking at the sizes only, you can make out that the one factor which is going to affect electronegativity is atomic radius, and the next factor is what, children? It is nuclear charge, right? So how these factors and electronegativity are related and how the electronegativity varies across the period and down the group, we will discuss in the next video. Okay children, I hope you have understood whatever I have discussed, children. Thank you very much. Namaste everybody.